What's the meaning of blistered? Blistered. Blistered.
Blistered. Blistered. The word blistered refers to something that has been affected by blisters. Blisters are small, fluid-filled sacs that appear on the skin as a result of damage or irritation. When applied to the skin, heat, friction, or chemicals can cause blisters to form. The skin becomes red, irritated, and swollen before the blister appears. Blisters can be painful and uncomfortable, and they can burst open, exposing the underlying skin to further damage and infection. Blisters can also be caused by medical conditions such as herpes and impetigo. In summary, when something is described as blistered, it suggests that it has been affected by blisters in some way.